I'm Beth Nightingale, I'm 18 years old and I'm from Liverpool, and this is my Camp Leaders application. So I'm currently studying health study in college, and I'm hoping to study paediatric nursing in university in September, so fingers crossed. My main skills are dance, singing and art, but I'm also a trained first aider. I want to work as a camp counsellor as I love working with children, and I really want to gain more experience with working with children. I've had so many great experiences already, but I really want Camp Leaders to add to them. And this is a bit more of why you should have me working at your camp.